I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an interesting question from grade 10 test paper of coordinate geometry. It's an IB level test paper. Have a good look at it. And now let us discuss how to solve such a question. The question here is, given ABC, it's a triangle ABC. I missed the term triangle. Let me make one here. Given triangle ABC with vertices A 5, 6, B 9, 12, and C 7, 4. Determine the midpoints of AB and BC. Explain how the segment joining these midpoints is related with the side length AC, right? So that is your question. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question. Here is how I will do it. Let us first make a rough sketch. So just make a triangle ABC. So let's say this is the triangle ABC. I prefer to make horizontal line in the bottom, right? So let's just join these lines. Okay, so we have a triangle. We're calling it ABC, A, B, and C. A coordinates are given to us as 5 and 6, B as 9 and 12, and C is 7, 4. So what we need to do here is determine the midpoints of AB and BC. So these two midpoints. Let us say this midpoint is here and AB midpoint is somewhere here. Okay. So that is what we need to find. That's the first part. Second is explain how the segment joining these midpoints, so this is the segment which joins them, is related with the side AC. So their relation, right? So this is what you need to find. So let me tell you the answer first, and then you can pause the video and verify. So let us say this midpoint is PQ, right? In that case, what you're going to find is that PQ is equals to half of AC, right? And second thing which you'll find is that PQ is parallel to AC. So these are the two things which you need to verify. That is, PQ is parallel to AC. Right? So that is an exercise which you should do on your own. It's a test question. So I expect you to do it on your own. Here is a shortcut method on this. So point P is midpoint of AB. So we'll just add average of x terms, which is 9 plus 5 divided by 2. The y's are 6 and 12. 6 plus 12 divided by 2. So which is 9 plus 5 is 14, so you get half of that as 7. 18 half is 9. So P is that point. And then Q is 9 plus 7 divided by 2. And 12 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 9 plus 7 is 16. Half is 8. 16 and half is 8. So 8, 8, right? So we got these points. Now we can find the distance between PQ. So distance is equals to the distance formula. Difference of x, which is 8 minus 7 whole square, plus difference of y values, which is 8 minus 9 whole square, divided by 1. And that is indeed equals to 1 and 1 square, right? So it is just square root of 1 plus 1, which is square root of 2. So that is the distance between them. Now we need to find the relation. So let's find distance AC. Let's find AC. AC will be difference of x values, which is 7 minus 5. So let me write 2 square plus 4 minus 6, or minus 2 square, correct? Which is 4 plus 4 square root, which is 8, right? So 8 is 2 square root 2, right? So that is the distance, and clearly PQ is half of AC. So we proved the first part from the distances, correct? So we know PQ is half of AC, right? From these two relations. Now we need to check the slope. So slope PQ is what? Slope of PQ is these points we found. Change in y value, that is 9 minus 8, divided by change in x value, 7 minus 8, which is indeed 1 over minus 1, which is minus 1. And similarly, let's find slope of AC. Change in y values 4 minus 6 over change in x values 7 minus 5, which is minus 2 over minus 2, which is also, this is denominator is plus, which is also minus 1, correct? So we get they have same slope, right? Since they have same slope, these two lines are parallel. So that is how you have to prove it. Follow these steps, write down description with each statement. Good part is when you have this, write down the formula on the side so that you don't miss any marks. But I hope that helps you to understand that if you join the midpoints, then the length of that segment is half the length of the opposite side, and the line is parallel to the opposite side. That's a very important conclusion. Thank you and all the best.